Hi, my name is Rob Carter and I'm one of the IME 141 metal casting instructors. I want to welcome you to Cal Poly either if you are first time here at Cal Poly or returning. Welcome back to you. And I'm really excited because we get to do some hands-on lab activities and it has been a while since we have. So I hope you're excited as well. I thought we'd start by seeing how to get to the metal casting lab, building 41, room 103 that is on your schedule. So we're in the engineering plaza here, building 192, the Bonderson projects room, the ATL, and to get to building 41, we're going to head on this way. Now, as we prepare to return to labs, I ask myself, why am I spending so much time preparing the lab and making videos to help us be successful with getting back to our hands-on, learn by doing activities? And of course, that's what's always made Cal Poly a great place to come to as a student when I was an undergraduate, and now, because I get to share this hands-on experiences with students. So here we are in building 41. We are the first set of labs. We're going to start with the entrance to the classroom, and this is where we'll head on in. We have the chairs safely spaced apart. When I am arriving at the lab, I want to make sure that I'm ready to go to work, and that means long pants and closed-toed shoes. And I'm going to need to wear safety glasses. Now, you may not have been provided with safety glasses, in which case we will provide them for you. If you happen to have your own, that's great because we don't have to worry about sanitizing if we're sharing them. In either case, before we head into the lab, we're going to have safety glasses on. And you can leave your backpack here, possibly your face shield here, because we have protective equipment. I'm going to take off my mask right now. I'm going to take off my safety glasses because you can see they're fogging up. We learned that making a video it's hard to wear your safety glasses. Part of the reason we're making a video instead of trying to do this in real time in the lab. Come on into the lab with me. So we're going to head on into the lab. When you first arrive, we're going to go right into pouring metal. When you get here, the metal will be heating in the furnace and ready to go. There's another video that talks about that activity, how to gown up in the safety equipment, and we want to hit the ground running. We don't know how long we're going to stay open. I challenge all of you to do all safe protocols, social distance and everything, to hope we get to stay open as long as possible. But at least we will have poured metal the first day when you get here. Welcome to IME 141. I can't wait to meet you all in person.